It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed. And now I'm taking over for the day. Cause I can be what you wanna be. And I can feel but you laugh at me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you, baby, your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go.
Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is KC. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, thank you so much for doing so. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, like, what are you doing? Like, it's 2019. In 2019, we're supporting people, okay? So, here's what I want you to do. Click the subscribe button and also click the bell in order to be notified each and every time I upload a video. Support your girl. Come on, like, it's free. It's easy. It's nothing to it. Just click, click, done. Move on. That's it. Like, so easy. Yeah. And if you are not following me on my social media handles, please go ahead and do so. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. And I'll list all my handles here on the screen. Okay, so let's get into today's video. As for the title, you already know what type of video this is. This is going to be a collaboration with the beautiful and talented Brianna Marie. Thank you so much for collaborating with me and all these other ladies. I know for a fact that I certainly appreciate it. Like, it means a lot to me. I'm honored to be collaborating with you. You're super talented and you're giving us this opportunity, and I'm so humbled by this, and I appreciate it a lot. Like, she's talented, guys. If you don't know who Brianna Marie is, like, where are you? Because, like, what are you doing with your life? Like what? Like, who does it? Like, Brianna Marie in 2019 and you don't know who that is? She's a queen of cookeries. She has definitely taught me a lot as well, so I have to shout out to her. She's teaching us young girls how to beat that face and cut that crease sharp, okay? And with that being said, thank you again, Brianna Marie. I certainly appreciate it. And today's video is going to be a Valentine's Day look. It's going to be something that's smoky, flirty. I'm adding a little bit of glitter as well. And I'm so excited to try this out. I've never really done this before, so it's my first time. So I really do hope it comes out the way the way I want it to, or the way I vision it in my head. I'm going to do my brows off camera, guys, because it takes too much time. So I'm going to do my brows off camera, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to go straight into the eyes. So I'll see you in like 2.1 seconds. Okay, YouTube time. Now I will be using the Morphe 35OM palette. Okay, so I use that as my transition. Now I'm gonna go in with this light wash of orange first, because I want the transition area to be orange and not like brown. So I'm gonna build up the orange intensity. So I start off very light, and I'm using the same brush. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm gonna go back in to the palette and I'm gonna take this darker orange, and this is the 35OM palette, and I'm gonna use the darker orange in the crease area. I'm using that brown and I'm gonna put it on my lid. And this brush is from BH Cosmetics and it's the number 24 brush. So I'm using this first to start off the smoky look. Then I'm gonna go in with the NYX Jumbo Eyeliner Pencil in 601 Black Bean, and it's black. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna place it. I have hooded eyes, so I want to keep this as low as I possibly can, and then I'm gonna blend it out going upwards into my crease area. But you don't want to put it too far at first, because when you blend it out it will go too high, especially for me because I have hooded eyes. I have to be very careful and mindful of that, so just be careful. So start very low and blend it up upwards.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body.
Okay, so now I've added the base. Now I'm going to put black eyeshadow to set that base. I know it looks crazy, guys, but it will come together. So now I'm gonna go into my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm gonna take this black gonna go in to blend that out with the Morphe M441 blending brush, and I'm gonna go into the crease area to blend that out, and it's clean, there's no product on it.
Sing aloud, music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just picking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in.
And I'm gonna go into my 35OM palette, and I'm using the same orange, the dark orange, this one, same, and I'm going to blend that out.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids scream.
Okay guys, so I finished my eyes. I really do like the intensity that I got, and I don't think I need any more, so I'm going to go ahead and add some glitter to the base, like to the mobile lid. Okay, and I'm just using this black glitter that I purchased from the dollar store, and I put it in this little container here. It's very affordable, and to adhere the glitter to my eyes or to my lid, I'll be using the NYX glitter primer base.
Take my eyes open to force reality.
So guys, I added my lashes off camera because my battery died. I had to replace the battery pack. So yeah, that's that. And now I'm gonna go into my face now. For my foundation, I will be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in 6W1, and that's Sandalwood, and I'm giving a good shake. This is like one of my favorite foundation of all times, and I'm using a little bit because I'm not going anywhere. I'm not, like, it's so late at night and it's snowing outside, it's cold AF, and sis ain't going nowhere but her bed. So yeah, I'm using a little bit. Now I'm gonna use the Real Techniques buffing brush, and I'm going to buff that into my skin. This is my favorite foundation brush. So I'm gonna applying the foundation mostly to the outer portion of my face, because I don't really bring it up too much under my eyes because I'm going to use concealer anyways. So let's see what coverage I get from this. Right, so first I'm gonna just buff this out.
Be carefree lately, yeah. Just picking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the 40 clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
Alright, so now I'm done with the foundation. I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and I'm using the Maybelline New York Age Rewind Concealer in the color Tan.
Believe kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who
I'm gonna contour. Now to contour, I'm going to use the Studio Pro BH Cosmetics concealer wheel, and I'm using the darkest color in there to contour, and it's this one right here. This is the brush I use to blend up my brows, so I just use it today. So don't try to come and check me or clock me, because sis, I wash my brushes. Trust, sis, I wash my brushes.
take my eyes open to force reality.
And yeah, this hair is in my way, like it's really in my way. So now that I'm done with the contour, I'm gonna go ahead and blend out all my highlighted areas, and I'm going to use the Real Techniques sponge, and this is damped with water.
Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything.
Now for my contours, my low lighting areas, I don't necessarily like to use a sponge. I like to use a brush. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. And the brush that I will be using to blend out my contour will be the Real Techniques contour brush. And when I'm gonna have a video soon on my channel for how to highlight and contour, but when I'm contouring, I like to blend it out in a circular motion.
Feel the tension, devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I want to taste consumption, be faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out.
So now that I've highlighted, I set all of my highlighted areas, I'm gonna go on into setting the rest of my face. And to do this, I'm gonna use my favorite setting all over face powder, and this is from Sephora, and I'm using the Micro Smooth setting powder, face powder in 60. It looks like this.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Tape my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension.
Hi guys, so this is the finished look. I went ahead, I add some contact lenses, curled my hair, add a little bit of jewelry. So that is it for the look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I definitely appreciate it. If you enjoyed this look, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you are not yet subscribed, please remember to subscribe. I certainly appreciate it. And also click the bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. And also follow me on my social media handles. I list them right on the screen here. And I just want to say thanks again to B. Marie for collaborating with me. It's an honor. I'm at awe. I'm excited, and thank you, girl. Thank you so much. Guys, I'll also go ahead and list the other girls that participated in the collaboration videos down below. You can also go and check them out. Support us, guys. Like, we're new YouTubers and we really appreciate the support. And thanks again, B. Marie. You're absolutely amazing. Continue to motivate us, continue to inspire us, continue to uplift us. And it's a movement. 2019, it's a movement, supporting each other, and I'm here for it. I'm here for it. So guys, that is it. Thank you guys again, and stay tuned to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Cries and watch me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe.